Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on lattice theory, lecture number 13, part 2, in which I will discuss about the remaining parts of modular lattices. Now, we described about theorem. Every lattice having 4 or less element is always modular. Since a lattice having a pentagonal sublattice, it cannot be modular. And a lattice having 4 or less element is unable to contain a pentagonal sublattice, because in pentagonal sublattice we have 5 elements. Here number of elements be 4 or less. So, number of 4 or less element cannot construct a pentagonal lattice. So, there is no question to be non-modular of such lattice. Hence, every lattice having 4 or less element is always modular. Next theorem is, if for all small a, small b, small c in a lattice L, A meet B equal to A meet C and A join B equal to A join C implies B equal to C, then L is modular. We shall prove this. We know that if a lattice L has pentagonal sublattice, then it cannot be modular. Let it possible L is not a modular lattice, then there exists, it is not modular, so there exists a pentagonal sublattice of this lattice. Let that sublattice, pentagonal sublattice, is shown in figure. This is the pentagonal sublattice. Here we see that A meet B equal to 0 here, and A meet C is also 0. So, A meet B equal to A meet C. This is number 1. Here our condition is A meet B equal to A meet C. So, this condition is satisfied. Again, A join B is 1 and A join C is also 1. Therefore, A join B equal to A join C. This is number 2. So, here we have A join B equal to A join C. So, this condition also satisfied. But here we see that B and C are distinct elements. So, B is not equal to C. But in theorem, given that B equal to C, hence given condition does not hold here. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. We have assumed that the lattice L contains a pentagonal sublattice. So, this is wrong. So, L must be modular. Next theorem is, in a modular lattice L, if two elements B and C are comparable and A meet B equal to A meet C. A join B equal to A join C. Then B equal to C. We prove this. Since B equal to B meet A joined B by absorption law. Since given that A joined B equal to A joined C, so in place of this A joined B, we write A joined C. This is given. Since L is modular lattice, therefore B met A joined C means under bracket B meet A join C. B meet A means A meet B by commutative law, since lattice is always commutative. A meet B, here A meet B equal to A meet C. So here we put A meet C, join C. Since A meet C join C equal to C by absorption property, so proved. Next we solve a problem. Problem is show that a lattice L is modular if and only if for any ABC belong to L, the following condition holds. A join under bracket B meet under bracket A join C bracket closed equal to under bracket A join B meet under bracket A join C. Now we solve this. Given that L is a modular lattice, therefore for small a small b belong to L, we have A less than equal to C implies that A join under bracket B meet C equal to A join B under bracket meet C. This is number 1. For A less than equal to C, it is obvious that A join C equal to C. This is number 2. Now left side, this A join B meet A join C. Here in place of A join C, we write C. So here we write C. So B meet C. L is a modular lattice. So this will be equal to A join B meet C, since L is modular. And next step, in place of C we write A join C. So this equal to A join B meet A join C, proved. Now we prove the converse. Conversely, let A, B, C belong to L and let A join under bracket B meet A join C equal to A join B meet A join C. This is given. Let A less than equal to C. If A less than equal to C, then A join C equal to C. This is number 4. Putting this value in theory, here in place of A join C we write C. Here in place of A join C we write C. So we get A join B meet C here. And in right side, A join B meet C here. So for A less than equal to C, we get A join under bracket B meets C equal to under bracket A join B meets C. This is the condition for modularity. Therefore, L is a modular lattice proved. Now we solve a problem so that n cross n is modular where n is the lattice under usual relation less than or equal to. Here n is a set of natural numbers. Let ordered pair A1, A2, ordered pair B1, B2, ordered pair C1, C2 belong to n cross n, and let ordered pair A1, A2 meet ordered pair B1, B2 equal to ordered pair A1, A2 meet ordered pair C1, C2. This is number 1. And ordered pair A1, A2 join ordered pair B1, B2 equal to ordered pair A1, A2 join ordered pair C1, C2. This is number 2. If we may show ordered pair B1, B2 equal to C1, C2, then n cross n will be modular, as we have seen in previous theorems. From 1 we get here left side A1 meet B1 comma A2 meet B2 here equal to under bracket A1 meet C1 comma A2 meet C2. From 2 we get under bracket A1 join B1 comma A2 join B2 here equal to right side A1 join C1 under bracket A1 join C1 comma A2 join C2 here. Here we get that equality of two ordered pairs, means first component equal to right side first component and second component of the left side equal to second component of right side. So A1 meet B1 equal to A1 meet C1 and A2 meet B2 equal to A2 meet C2. This is number 3. And from these we get first component A1 join B1 equal to first component A1 join C1 here, and second component A2 join B2 equal to second component A2 join C2. This is number 4. From 3 and 4 we get here in 3 we get A1 meet B1 equal to A1 meet C1, and here 4 A1 join B1 equal to A1 join C1. We write this number 5. Again A2 meet B2 equal to A2 meet C2 here, and from this A2 join B2 equal to A2 join C2. Since n with partial order relation is a chain, set of natural numbers is chain with relation usual less than or equal to, so it is modular. So If it is modular, then from 5 we get B1 equal to C1, and from 6 we get B2 equal to C2. Here we write, since two natural numbers are either equal or comparable, here equal for the condition of modularity of n set of natural numbers. So this means ordered pair B1 B2 equal to ordered pair C1 C2. Here we have seen that if this two ordered pair be equal, then n cross n is modular. Here we have obtained equal. So n cross n is modular. In second process, very short process, we know that n is a modular lattice because n is a chain. So it is a modular lattice. And we know that if n is modular, then n cross n is also modular. Cartesian product is modular. Proved. Now we solve a problem. Problem is so that a lattice L is modular if and only if for any A, B, C belong to L, A less than equal to C, C is less than equal to A join B, implies that A join under bracket B meet C equal to C. Now we solve this. Let L is a modular lattice and A, small b, small c belong to L. By the definition of modular lattice, we know that A less than equal to C implies that A join under bracket B meet C equal to under bracket A join B meet C. This is number 1. Also, given that C less than equal to A join B, this is number 2. Now, we take right hand side of 1. A join B meet C. Since C is less than equal to A join B, so C is smaller element. So in meet we get the smaller element. So this equal to C. This is number 3. Now from 1, here modularity condition, A join B meet C means A join under bracket B meet C equal to C. This is proved. Here we get the required result. Conversely, let small a, small b, small c belong to L, and given that A less than equal to C, C less than equal to A join B implies that A join under bracket B made C equal to C. This is the given. If possible, let L is not modular, then L contains a pentagonal sublattice. Non-modular lattice contain a pentagonal sublattice. This is shown in figure. This is pentagonal sublattice. In this sublattice, we see that A less than equal to C, A below C, so A is less than equal to C, and C is below A join B, So A join B is greater than equal to C. Now B meet C. B meet C. We get A meet B. Therefore, A join B meet C equal to B meet C means A meet B. In place of this, we write A meet B. By absorption property, A join A meet B equal to A, which is not equal to C. So, given condition does not hold. Therefore, L must be a modular lattice. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.